Understanding noise control. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrases related to noise control. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in English, understanding these phrases can be quite useful in various contexts. So, let's dive in. Noise control refers to the process or measures taken to reduce, eliminate, or manage unwanted sound or noise. This term is often used in contexts like environmental regulations, workplace safety, and even in everyday life when talking about managing sound levels in our surroundings. Here, we will explore real-life scenarios where noise control is applied. For instance, in a library, where signs might request visitors to maintain silence. At home, using earplugs or soundproof windows to block out street noise. In this section, we discuss how noise control is essential in workplaces, particularly in industries like construction or manufacturing, where machinery can be quite loud. We'll also look at how companies implement noise control measures for employee safety and comfort. Noise control isn't just about comfort. It's also a legal and environmental issue. We'll explore laws and regulations surrounding noise pollution and how they impact both industries and individuals. I hope this video has helped clarify the concept of noise control and its importance in various aspects of our lives. Remember, managing noise isn't just about comfort. It's also about safety, health, and environmental responsibility. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.